Hi everybody, this is Cathy with Be Creative with Cathy, and I just wanted to show you how to put together this month's Rose Hill Stamp Camp card. So in your envelope, you either got a card that looks like this or a card that looks like this, and then the instructions of how to put it together. So real quick, I'll show you how I put mine together and tell you what supplies I used. So all the supplies are in the new catalog. If you don't have a catalog that looks like this, be sure and hit up your demonstrator and make sure you get one. And you won't be sorry. It's wonderful. The new catalog is just amazing. So let's move on. So this paper here is a half sheet of cardstock that's 5.5 by 8.5, and I scored and folded it at 4 1/4. And this is just designer series paper that is 4 by 5 1/4. That's going to layer right there on there, and I'm going to just use snail adhesive to adhere those together. I like a lot of snail adhesive. I've had some of my cards people give me to be hanging on my display, and they'll fall apart. So I am use a lot of snail kind of gal. So it looks like that. So then your dinosaurs are all different colors, and I pop mine up. I've already done mine on Stampin' Dimensionals. All right, and we're gonna just take him and put him over here toward the edge. And then we need this rectangle here. And for the dinosaur, I use the dinosaur. They're called Dino dies. And I use designer series paper, but there's a stamp set that comes with those dies, and you could create this dinosaur on your own. To cut this out, I used the Stitch So Sweetly dies that look like that. And then for my words, I use the well-written dies, that look like, let me fix my W, it look like that. Okay, on these, I made them into stickers. So on the back, we just need to remove the backing. Let's see if I can get it started here, yeah. And I'm gonna start with the happy. And just place it right up here at the top. Lay that down. Oops. And then with the birthday, same thing with him. Let's see if I can get him started. Well, the nice thing about stickers is that they're easy to lay down, but you got to get that sticker back off of them. That's not so easy. Let's try pushing through. No. Here, maybe we can get it started here. There, I fold back the B leg. I called that the B leg, and it worked just fine. Let's get rid of all this stuff on my little paper. So we're going to take the adhesive back off of the B. Wait, I have a straggler here. Okay, and then lay that underneath the happy. So it looks like that. And then last in your packet was a little rhinestone, and that is going to dot the I on your birthday. And then I used Stampin' Dimensionals, something to pop that up, although you could lay it flat on your card too. On the back, of your card, like that. And then last, I put the inside in. I forgot to put an inside in my packet, but your packet has an inside, and you would just adhere that white piece on the inside. Okay, so that's your card for this month. I miss you guys, and I hope that we can be together real soon. And I hope you like the cards and come back next month. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.